Good morning, beautiful people. For today's vlog, we are going to make or cook or bake a cheesy garlic bread. This is quick and easy recipe. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribe. Good morning. So this is a quick and easy recipe, mga darling. So guys, this is my garlic. So, let me show this. So, garlic. So, yung ating garlic. So, ito yung ating garlicky. So, yun siya guys, ang ating garlic. So, homegrown natin ito lahat guys. So, yung ating, pati ang ating onion. So at this point guys, we are now preparing our garlic and margarine. So tansyahin nyo lang kasi ang aking gagamitin, so good for 4 lang siya. So 4 lang yung gagawin ko. So may excess akong 2 slices which I am not going to put butter on it. Okay? So yun lang. So we are going to sprinkle salt. Mix lang natin guys ang ating butter. Wow. Ganito lang siya gawin guys. Mix nyo lang. Lagay na natin ang ating ingredients, ang ating garlic and butter. Spread lang natin siya. Much nice ang ano. Guys, lagyan natin siya ng cheese. So, this is how we are going to add our cheese. So, spread lang natin ang ating cheese, guys. Ang ating shredded or grated cheese. Shred, kakaronti. Ganyan lang mga besh. So, thicken cheese. When I mold you up, and I can. Mag-grate pa ako. Kung kulang pa yung cheese, mag-grate tayo. So, it's about time to put this to our oven, guys. 200 degrees at 10 minutes. Okay? So, guys, ito na yung ating perfect cheesy garlic bread. So, and if you haven't subscribed yet to Test Home, please consider subscribe. And I hope you learned something out of my preparations today. And I hope you can try this in your own kitchen. This is quick and easy cheesy garlic bread. Thank you for watching.